Biochar, with its unique physical structure, chemical stability, and environmental protection advantages, is becoming a star feed additive in the animal husbandry industry. Its porous structure and large specific surface area endow it with excellent adsorption power, which can not only firmly lock the nutritional essence in the feed, such as vitamins and minerals, improve feed utilization, but also remove bacteria, toxins, and heavy metals, and protect the health of the animal's digestive system. What's more worth mentioning is that Biochar reduces methane emissions from ruminants, helping environmental protection, while optimizing fecal quality and reducing air pollution. The chemical properties of Biochar are stable and resistant to acids and alkalis. This characteristic ensures that the charcoal continues to act in the gastrointestinal tract of animals, and its antibacterial properties enhance the immune function of animals and protect their health. As an environmentally friendly material, the manufacture and use of Biochar demonstrate respect for the environment, which coincides with the concept of sustainable development.